So I'm going to talk you through exactly how to use your TLC roller. And before you start, you need to make sure it's perfectly clean. So when it first comes out the packet, you're going to spritz it 3 times with the sanitizing spritz and then run it under lukewarm water. For your skin, you just want it double cleansed so all traces of makeup and SPF and daily grime are gone, and then you're good to go. So we're going to start between our brows and we're going to work to a count of 3. So we're going to roll side to side for a count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Then it's up and down for a count of 3. 1, 2, 3, then diagonally, 1, 2, 3, and then the opposite diagonal direction. So it's a lot of counting. Now, when you're doing this, you want to make sure you're applying no pressure to the roller whatsoever. We're letting the tool do all the work for us. It should feel mildly like tickly and scratchy, but it shouldn't be painful or uncomfortable. Opposite diagonal direction, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And the idea is that we're going to cover each of our facial areas in sections so we get a thorough, even coverage. So I always break the forehead into 3 just so you can work out where you're up to on your motions and get everything nice and pink. So your skin should start coming out with this nice pink flush. There should be no signs of blood or intense redness. It's literally as though you've just been for a nice brisk walk. The needles on this roller are only 0.25 millimeters long and they're made from pure titanium, which means they're perfect for home use. 1, 2, 3. We're going the opposite diagonal direction. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. We're going to come down to our eyes now. So I do this little section here and it's 1, 2, 3. And it just makes sure we cover all those areas where those little fine creases appear around our eyes. Now I always mirror it, so as soon as I've done that one, I come over and do it on this side so I can remember exactly where I'm up to. Then we're doing our diagonal directions, 1, 2, 3, and the same over here, 1, 2, 3. Now when we come under our eyes, we need to be super gentle because the skin here is very fragile. So rather than the crosshatch motion, we're just doing 3 gentle sweeps. So start at the outer corner and we work in for 1, 2, 3. And that's all it needs. Same on the other side. 1, 2, 3. And we're going to work on the upper cheek first. So it's 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Now you only need to practice twice a week. That's all it takes to get you beautiful results at home. And it's going to turbocharge your collagen by creating what we call a controlled trauma to your skin. So it's like, you know, when you graze yourself and you get a mass rush of blood and collagen to the area to heal your skin. Well, that is what we're doing here. We're going to create lots of increased collagen production to plump, firm and tone our skin. And it's also creating millions of microchannels to the deeper layers so that when we put our skincare on top, it's going to work deeper and faster to accelerate all those beautiful youth boosting results for us. Opposite diagonal direction, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. We're going to repeat exactly the same thing on this cheek. So it's 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. I always find it easier just to split the cheeks in 2 so that you can control exactly how you use the roller. It actually feels really nice. Again, it shouldn't be uncomfortable. You should look forward to doing it. And you'll get quicker and quicker as you go. It's quite normal when you start to feel a little bit clunky and all over the place. But once you've done it as many times as I've done it, it'll get easier and easier. And you can count all the way through if that helps you stay on track. I still do too. It just helps me remember where I'm up to. So 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Change direction last time. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Now I know many of us get concerned with lines over our lips, and we can treat the lip exactly like we treated our eyes. So you work from the outer corner in for a count of 3, and it's good if you can stretch your mouth, just so you've got more space to work with. So it's, and exactly the same on the other side. That will help to plump that area out for you. Then we do exactly the same crosshatch motion on our chin. 1, 2, 3. It's actually really helpful here for the nasal labial folds, those lines that run from the corner of your mouth No, the marionette line, sorry, the corner of your mouth down to your chin. If you're concerned with those, this is amazing for giving those a boost. I'm plumping everything out. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And that's it. You can, of course, absolutely work it all the way down your neck too, exactly the same cross-hatch motion. And then you follow up with your full 5-minute routine, evening routine, as usual. And it may feel a little bit more tingly and your skin may look a little bit more pink than usual. And that's absolutely perfect. That's a sign that you've done everything exactly as you should and it's working to those deeper layers. Once you finish with your roller, you're going to take your sanitizing spritz it again, rinse it with lukewarm water, and then pop it in its protective case and store it till next time. And I promise you, you'll wake up to the best skin of your life tomorrow morning.